Good morning, class. It's Monday, April 20th, and today we're going to do calendar, and our number of the day is the number 21. So grab your yellow duotang and get your calendar. If you're not done coloring your April page, go ahead and spend some time coloring your April page. Remember, it helps us focus, it helps us relax, we learn fine motor skills, and we get good control with our pencils. Flipping into April, because it's Monday, we will need to write the days for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So Friday was the 17th, one more is 18 for Saturday, one more is 19 for Sunday, and that brings us today at 20. Find the number 18, 19, and 20 and color them on your umbrella. And let's look at our weather for today. The forecast says it's going to be nice and sunny, so I'm going to add a sunny day. That means we have 4 straight up and down, and we group it with the 5th one going across. On my graph, that means that I'm going to be adding one more sunny day in the bar, and it's a nice yellow bar for that. And you'll see in my graph, now I'm tied for the most weather on school days in April between sunny and partly cloudy. So sunny and sunny with a little bit of clouds, which would tell us that we've had a lot of fairly sunny days so far in April, because even the partly cloudy days have some sunshine in them as well. You may have a different winner, and you may have a different loser. I have the least number of weather days in April as windy, so I haven't marked down any windy days. If it's very, very windy on this sunny Monday, you go ahead and put it down as a windy day if you want. Moving to our numbers of the day. Remember, we want to make sure we practice putting our date up at the top of the page. So it's Monday, capital M-O-N-D-A-Y, April, capital A-P-R-I-L, 20th. And our number is 21. Is 21 even or odd? Remember, it's even if it's the answer to a double question, or I can get to it counting by 2 starting at 0. So I know a double question that the answer is 20, and that's 10 plus 10. And I know a double question where the answer is 22, and that is 11 plus 11. So I know that this must be odd today. I can double check it by counting by 2s. Count along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. I skipped 21, and that tells me it's odd. I can also just look at the number 1, and I know number 1 is odd, because the first number, if I'm skip counting by 2s, I would say would be 2, and I would already have skipped the odd number. 1 more is 21 plus 1. That equals 22. 1 less is 21 minus 1, and that equals 20. We're going to do 2 addition equations and 1 subtraction equation. I always like to do my 10 frames first because that helps me very well with those equations. 20 means I have a 10 and a 10 that are both full, and I have 1 more. So I can easily do my first question as 20 plus 1. And I could look at this is 11 and this is 10. So I could do a question that is 10 plus 11. I could do a question that's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, or any other combination that I care to. Let's say today I just cover up those 4. So I'm going to do something plus 4 equals 21. Then I just need to look at, I've got 10 and 6 and 1 more, so I know that 17 plus 4 is 21. You can make a variety of questions just by covering up an area. If I took off these 5, then I have 10 and 6, so 16 plus 5 equals 21. I could cover these 7, all these 6 plus that one, and then I've got 14 plus 7 equals 21. I could cover 9, and I've got 12 plus 9 equals 21. So how easy it is to use my 10 frame to make multiple questions. I want to do a subtraction question. I have 20, and if this row was full, it would be 25. So I'm going to subtract from 25 today, and I'm going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, because those are the empty ones in my 25, and that would give me 25 minus 4 equals 21. I know I need 4 sets of 5 plus 1 more for my tally marks, so I can quickly make 4 straights and 1 across to make 4 sets of 5 and 1 more for my tally marks. There's still no 100s. We have 2 in the tens column, so 2 tens, and we can see that clearly right here. We have 1 more left over, so 1 goes in the 1 column. Have a great day with your calendar and number of the day. Talk to you later.